We are looking at how to pronounce the name of Gigi Hadid and Zayn Malik's newborn baby daughter. TMZ reported that the name is a tribute to Gigi's grandmother on her dad's side, who was named Khai. The name also means crown in Arabic, while Zayn's last name, Malik, means king. So her full name literally means crowned king, so she's sure to be a little princess, which she is. What a beautiful name. But how do you say it? Well, it's simply Khai Malik, the name of Gigi Hadid's baby girl. There you have it. Make sure to like the video if you find it useful, and here are more videos on how to pronounce more celebrity names you may be wondering about. I'll see you there to learn more.